Hello traders, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I would like to welcome you to our first video for this season for our live trading room results. As always, I have chosen some pairs. We have already some positions running, no win-win scenarios yet, but I have chosen 4 pairs that were in our watch list, and there were really nice opportunities to trade. The first one was Euro Yen. We saw price reaching one major resistance area, and of course we had our really nice combination. You already know the rules and the system. We were waiting for that setup. It came, and with like 50 pips of an APO, price of course has already reached 200, and it's still running with our last position in 150-60 pips. That means with our 3 position strategy, we had first and second target. That means 150 pips plus 150, 160, let's say, our last position. Yeah, and that is more than 6 times our APO. And on higher settings, you can see on third, with an APO of 50 pips, let's say somewhere here, we will be going for as far as we can. So 6 times our APO, well done for those that saw the reaction. We were waiting for that combination anyway. And let's continue to our next pair, which is another Euro pair, Euro Aussie. On Euro Aussie, at the beginning of the week, we were on a big wedge. 2 options, you already know. Either we bounce trade within a wedge, or we are waiting for the breakout. We went to a more conservative approach, and if you were waiting the breakout, it happened. This is an M6, much more lower settings. Breakouts usually happen on lower settings, and we've discussed in detail about what's going on breakouts in our live room. And with an APO again like 35 pips more or less, price went all the way down. Again, first and second target were met. That means 100 pips. And if you trailed your APO above 36 CMA plus 600 also pips, that means like more or less 150 pips in total. Price went a little bit on a range then, but with this small combination we had 4 times our APO. Another pair, well, it's not Forex, but let's call it a pair because it's against USD, it's oil. On oil, on higher settings, if you remember, we had a very big retracement. We were waiting a reaction till 36 CMA. Price been going long forever, and when price reached this area and it started to continue going back up, you see here, this is my vertical line, identifies the beginning of the week. We were waiting for a nice opportunity. Price was a bit on a range, and then our opportunity came. And here you can see again an APO of 60 pips, already 300 pips on my last position. If I add my first and second one, I'm still in on a trade, already having 480 pips. If you trailed your APO, probably you get stopped out here. If not, and you are trailing on higher settings, you are still in with 480 pips. 8 times our APO, and still running because we have already our resistance area waiting, and that means we will be talking with one small APO of 60 pips, long term 500 pips, and not closing everything. Keep your last position running, if possible, forever. Okay, last pair for today, it's CAD yen. On CAD yen, we had a very big wedge. Price was trying within a wedge here, and then we had a much more higher settings setup. Also a really nice combination. If some of you remember, we were short here with a bounce trade. We got within this movement our win-win scenario, and with these spikes we got stopped out because we trailed our APO above 36 EMA, but we had already locked profits. And then of course after our M12 we said, let's see if we can get another opportunity. There you go, it was already here waiting for us, and then easily our entry with 25, 30, even 30 pips of an APO. Now we are last position running 130. Again, first target, second target plus last position running, we are talking about 220 pips in profit, and still going with our last position running strategy. You can go all the way down here, and that means with an APO of 30 pips you can go for 250. The only thing you need is patience. Remember what Nikos used to say. Patience is a very powerful strategy. With only these four pairs, we had 25 times our APO, 1,158 pips profit, and still running. We have other pairs, we have other positions running, but these were really nice, as it should be, implementing our nice combinations. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful weekend, and see you again on Monday morning in our live room with our top-down approach. Stay safe, everybody.